class 9, we will see the exercise 3.3. See here, what is the given question? I didn't write, you have to write the question to see your textbook. See here, what is the given? Yes, P, R is 135 degree and P, Q, T is 110 degree. You have to find, which one you have to find? P, R, Q. That means this angle we should find out. Okay, how will we find this angle? Okay, first we have to find, this is the triangle, no? Already I told you somehow the triangle is 180 degree. So this one, first we have to find this one how much and this one how much. See here, this is the straight line. So straight line, if you add this angle, these two are adjacent angle. If you add these two angle, you will get 180 degree, isn't it? So angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. So already this one is 135 degree plus RPQ is equal to 180. Angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Equal to how much it become? 5, 7, 7, 4, 45. So this RPQ is equal to, this one is 45 degree. Okay. Next we have to find out this angle. See, this is also the straight line. If you add this two or adjacent angle, if you add these two angle, this is the linear pair of angle, adjacent also and supplementary also. So if you add these two angle, you will get 180 degree. So angle PQT plus angle PQR. PQR is equal to 180 degree. This one is 110 degree plus PQR is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree equal to 70 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Now this one is 70 degree. So now it will be easy to find out this angle because sum of these three in the triangle, sum of these three angle is equal to 180 degree, no? Angle QPR plus angle PRQ plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. This one how much you found out? 45 degree. And this one you have to find. And this one 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now add these two. 115 degree. So angle PRQ plus 150 degree equal to 180 degree. So what is the angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 5, 7, 6. So 64. So angle PRQ how much you got? 65 degree. If you want to verify inside the circle, you have to add and see. See 70 degree, 45 degree plus 65 degree, 110, 100 plus 70, 180 is coming. So your answer is correct. We'll see the next circle. The third question is, you have to copy from the textbook. If AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree and angle CDE is 53 degree, find DCE. What is that? This angle they have given, CDE angle 53 degree and BAC C angle is 35 degree they have given. You have to find how much is this angle. How will you find? See here. BAC and CED. This angle and this angle are alternate angle. These two lines are parallel. Alternate angles are equal. I taught you in the last exercise. So this is 35 degree means this also 35 degree. So now in the triangle we know how much is this angle and how much is this angle. Then it will be easy for you to find out this angle because the sum of three angles in the triangle is 180 degree. So okay, first we have to write angle BAC is equal to angle CED because both are alternate angle. So therefore angle CED also 30 degree. Now in triangle DECE angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE is equal to 180. So this one is 53 degree plus this one is 35 degree plus you have to find angle DC. So 88 degree plus DCE is equal to 180. So angle DCE is equal to 180 degree minus 88. So angle DCE is equal to 2 and 70 minus 8 is 92. So how much is DCE? 92. So this one is 92. If you add these three, verify is what? If you add these three, 180 will come. So if you are adding these three, 180 will come. So your answer is correct. The fifth sum is find the value of x and y. So this angle and this one you have to find out. First, this is one triangle. How many triangles are there? This one and this one. Here two triangles are there. So in this triangle, this one is 28 degree and exterior angle they have given here. You have to find this angle first. So this is the straight line. So these two what's in here? Yes, or this one is linear parallel angle. This is the supplementary angle also and adjacent angle also. Adjacent angle, if you add two angles, it should come 180 degree. No, so already this one is 65 degree. So this one will be easy for you to find out. See now. Now angle QRT plus angle QRS equal to 180 degree. So this one is 65 degree plus QRS equal to 180 degree. Now angle QRS equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree is equal to 150 degree. Angle QRS is equal to this one is you got 115 degree. So this one is 115 degree. Now this angle you know and this angle you know, and it will be easy for you to find out this one. Okay. So now in triangle SQR angle RQS plus angle QSR plus angle QRS is equal to 180 degree. Angle QRS is 150 degree. angle QSR only we should find out. And this one is 2080 is equal to 180. So now add this to 28 degree plus 115 degree. It will add 30, 1, 3, 4. Angle QSR plus 143 degree equal to 180. So now angle QSR is equal to 180 degree minus 143 degree. Then angle QSR you will get 37 degree. So how much is this now? 37 degree. We found RSQ is 37 degree. No? This angle and this angle are alternate angles. So these two lines are parallel. So these two alternate angles are equal. So angle RSQ is equal to S because both are alternate angles. Therefore, X how much? 37. So X is how much now? This is also 37 degree. Now take this triangle. In this triangle, this is 37 degree. You have to find the value of Y now. So this is 37 degree. See how much is this? See, any box type they have given, that is 90 degree, isn't it? So sum of these three angle is equal to 180 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 37 degree. So Y will be easy to you find out. Okay. So angle QPS plus X in triangle PQS, angle QPS plus X, this angle plus Y is equal to 180 degree. I didn't write the angle here, I wrote the X and Y here. Okay. So this one is P angle is 90 degree plus 37 degree plus Y equal to 180 degree. So these two 727 degree plus Y equal to 180 degree. The 127 degree if you are taking to right hand side it will become minus. So Y equal to 180 degree minus 127. So Y equal to 3. 7 minus 2 is so 57. So what is the value of X? 37 degree. What is the value of Y? 53 degree. Today's assignments are in exercise 3.3, second sum, fourth sum, fifth sum. The second one I done. The first one you have to do the figures number I wrote 3.42 you have to do as a homework, and the sixth sum you have to do. Thank you children. Have a nice day.